If you spend a lot of time reading articles online, pages can sometimes feel cluttered, distracting, and hard to focus on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable reading mode in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. This is a super simple feature that makes web pages cleaner and easier to read by removing extra distractions so you can focus on the content that matters. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the web page you want to read. Once the page loads, look at the address bar at the top of the browser. On the far right side of the address bar, you should see the Immersive Reader icon, which looks like a capital A. This is the button that activates reading mode in Edge. Go ahead and click that Immersive Reader icon. As soon as you do, Microsoft Edge will switch the page into a cleaner reading view. You'll notice that the layout becomes much simpler, with fewer distractions like sidebars, ads, and other clutter that can get in the way of reading. Depending on the page, the content may also become easier on the eyes, which is great if you're reading for a long time. Once reading mode is enabled, you can focus on the article or page content without all the extra noise around it. This is especially useful for students, researchers, and anyone who wants a more comfortable reading experience in Edge. And that's it. Reading mode in Microsoft Edge is now enabled. It only takes one click using the Immersive Reader icon on the far right of the address bar. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.